Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anvi. I'm 18 years old. I live in India. This is my first ever YouTube video. I'm very excited for this video for my channel, but I'm also very nervous and I hope you guys really like this video. So today's video is a DIY video. I'm going to be showing you a few DIYs that are going to just make your house more aesthetic, more colorful and more beautiful. And let's get into the video.
So let's take a look at the materials required. The first thing that we need is a globe of any size, acrylic paint of any color, a paintbrush preferably of a larger size, and some markers and pencils. So now to start the process, take your globe and completely cover it in acrylic paint. I have used pink color, but you can use any color of your choice. I decided to directly apply the paint on top of the globe, but you can also put it in a palette first and then apply it on the globe. It's completely up to your convenience. Please remember to cover the whole globe with the paint and that no tiny space is left. It can be a little tricky, but it's really not that tough. After your first coat of paint has completely dried, apply a second coat on top of it. I decided to use a lighter pink this time just to give it more shade and make it look more beautiful. It is completely up to you if you want to use the same shade or a different one. Make sure that no space is left uncovered. If you think that your globe is still not completely covered, then you can let this coat dry and then put another coat of paint on top of it. When your globe has completely dried, it is time to make something fun on it. I already had an idea in mind of what I wanted to draw, so I directly started to draw with a marker. But if you feel scared and you are not completely sure of how you want it to look on the globe, then you can first do it with a pencil or a chalk and then go over it again with a marker. I decided to make a little graphic and write something, but it is completely up to you if you want to only write a quote on top of it or you want to make a cute little drawing on it. So this is our final product. The materials required for this DIY are a photo frame, a printout of a background, and some markers and pencil. So now to start the process, the first thing that we need to do is take our photo frame and open it up with the help of a scissors to remove whatever picture is already inside the frame. We will remove the picture, but we will let this transparent part be inside it. Then you can place any background of your choice inside the frame to make it look more cute and aesthetic. I simply went on Google, searched for some aesthetic backgrounds and found a cute one that looks like marble and decided that this was going to be the backdrop of my photo frame. Then put the frame back together. After this is done, take a marker and write or make whatever you want on the front of the frame. The trick here is that whatever you write on the frame is not actually being written on the background. You are writing it on the transparent sheet that was placed before the background. So now you can change the background whenever you want, but the font or graphics that you made on the transparent sheet will remain the same. This way you can change up the style of your room without really doing much. This is the final product. I am really happy with how these turned out. The materials required for this DIY are a plain cushion cover in any color, acrylic paint and a paintbrush, Fevicol or preferably Fevikwik, some lace and a pair of scissors. So to start the process, the first thing you need to do is tape your lace to a newspaper. I did this because I had to paint my lace and I did not want it to move. But if you already have two different colored laces at home, then you can skip this step and move on to the next step. But since I only had a white colored lace and I was too lazy to go buy another lace from outside, I just decided to paint it myself. I used gold colored acrylic paint to paint the whole lace and used a slightly larger brush so that my work is quicker. Make sure to paint the whole lace nicely and that no space is left and that the white cannot be seen. The next thing we need to do is measure out the length of the lace that we need to put on the cushion. So I decided to put 2 pieces of the gold lace and 2 pieces of the white lace on the cushion alternatively. I measured them out and then cut them with the help of a scissors. I purposely cut them a little longer from both the sides so that I can fold it back when I'm sticking it. The next thing to do is to apply glue on your lace so that we can stick it on the cushion. Now I did not have Fevikwik at home, so I used a Fevicol, but the work will be quicker and much easier if you use Fevikwik. I simply applied it on the lace and then put the lace on the cushion cover and pressed it nicely. I then folded the edges towards the back so that it sticks better. Now if you're using Fevicol, it may take longer time to stick and stay in place, so I would recommend to keep a heavy object on top of the cushion to make your work quicker and easier. So this is how it turned out after I put the cushion inside it. So this is all for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like this video, press the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!